Uh, uh, Let me think for a second. I got an idea, but it's tricky. It didn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, one last explanation that I can think of. I need to go this way. If I'll get hit by the fire, read this again. Okay. Okay. Do you have any bright ideas? Any ideas at all on how to fix this part? You know what? I'm saving right here. Just to be safe. Ugh. Maybe I need to come back later or something. I don't know. I have no idea as well. Okay, Link. Go on ahead, you. Alright, Link. Go on ahead and die. Die. Go on ahead, I don't care. Just do whatever the H you want. Jeez. If I continue, will that and they'll come back to haunt me? You know what? I'm going to stream something else. I'm gonna go on PlayStation 3 and play Fat Princess and Barman Ultra. If anyone wanna join me, go ahead and join me. I guess. My 360. I'm sorry, but I don't go online on there. Sadly, I'm gonna play little stupid games or watch a movie or play little mini games or almost every game I have. I don't want to play online with. So playing online with me on there is kind of pointless. Because I don't do anything. Let's get out of here, bucko rapist dude. Gave me the ability to freaking go over there, but ain't have no way in the world to stop any monster from hurting me. Makes no freaking sense. Yeah, I'm getting off right now. I'm gonna put my PlayStation 3 on, and I'm gonna start streaming again. Catch you in about a few minutes. And I might stream something else later. A surprise. Like Naruto Ninja Storm 2, the demo version. Oh yeah. Naruto Shippuden of Ninja Storm 2 demo. Yeah, I got the demo already. So I'll play out, start to show off some characters. Sasuke is in the demo, don't worry. His Akatsuki suit, yep. So yeah, have fun. No.